Namaskar. You ask me, what is 3333 whole square? In a one go, I'll say 11108889. You ask me, what is 104 into 106? I say 11024. You ask me any other number, let's say 8379, or let's say 848484 into 25. In a one go, I'll say 21212100. Because this is my job as a CAT topper. It's my responsibility. You know, when I'm training some hundreds and thousands of students, because I'm training the young brains who are going to craft the career of India tomorrow. It's my job. So I have to remember, I have to develop, invent new shortcuts. But I don't expect a police officer to develop something big, but I expect a police officer to remember simple sections and amendments of Indian Penal Code IPC 1860 and the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Why I have to say this is, you will be surprised. In the last 90 days, in couple of occasions, Honourable Mr. Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar of High Court of Karnataka has slapped a fine on 2 police officers of Karnataka, as well the whole Karnataka government, for different reasons. You'll be surprised. First, let's talk about on 2 police officers. On 2 police officers, Mr. Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar has slapped 1,000 rupees each fine on 2 police officers. You know what they did? They filed an FIR. They filed an FIR under a section, which is basically section 66A of the Information Technology Act 2000, which was amended in the year 2008. But this section 66A of the Information Act, India's Information Act 2000, this particular section has been struck by the Supreme Court. It's been quashed by the Supreme Court of India in 2015 itself. And these 2 police officers have filed an FIR under this section, that too on an woman. Imagine a woman, if they're dealing with a woman, at least one Google search on which section they are actually filing. And thanks to the justice, and he slapped fine at 10,000 rupees each, and also expected them to honor or tender an unconditional apology, which they did. And there's one more case where the police officers have arrested a person who was already in bail. I repeat, this is basically called as illegal arrest. They've arrested a person who's already on bail for the same reason. And this time he slapped a fine of the same justice. Mr. Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar has slapped a fine of 1 lakh. 1 lakh on the whole Karnataka government. And there is one more thing in common, that is, both the cases were handled by an advocate, Mr. Aruna Shyam, Aruna Shyam. We should really appreciate him, because very few accept the cases against the police atrocities. So here, it's a great job. I mean, you can see here, it's a very clear, lucid abuse of law. In fact, it's an abuse of process of law and harassment to the citizenship. So hence, thumbs up to the Justice, Mr. Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar, thumbs up to Mr. Aruna Shyam, Advocate Aruna Shyam, thumbs down to the police officers who are involved in these 2 acts, nefarious police officers who are involved in these 2 acts. Now, well, at this point of time, 2 questions would be there, one from your end and one from my end. Your end would be very clear, does all the police officers are like this? No. 70% of the police officers are very honest and very, very good. Yes. In fact, we talk about the Karnataka police. We have got Neelamani Raju, the first lady DG IGP of India. We've got Annamalai, who had worked and who was working, I'm talking about. We've got Annamalai, we've got Miss Aruna, we got Miss Isha Pant, right? So you got some good people, actually, a good collection of pussy of police officers. So your first question is pretty clear, that 70% of good are there. Well, the question from my end to you is, are you prepared when you come across these type of nefarious police officers? Are you prepared? I'll give a small glance what protocol you have to follow, which will be useful for you. See, whenever you get a call from any police officer on any offense, first ask them, politely ask them, sir, is it a cognizable offense or non-cognizable offense? Cognizable offense means something serious. If you take section 299 of the IPC, which is culpable homicide, section 300 murder, section 375 of the IPC rape. So these are all serious offenses. So these are cognizable offenses. If you get a call, you ask him, is it cognizable or non-cognizable? If the police officer says it's a cognizable offense, wherever you are, first go to the police station and inform your respective advocate, to come to the police station and meet you. Advocate can meet you in the police station as per the section 41D of the Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC 1973. As per the section 41D, advocate can meet you. Now, so you went inside the police station. I'm talking about the cognizable offense. You went inside the police station. Now, the police have got 24 hours. The police is basically a bridge between you and the justice. So they've got only 24 hours, and in these 24 hours, they cannot even manhandle you. They can only get the details, they can collect the details, but they cannot even manhandle you. Okay, point to be noted. And if they don't produce after 24 hours in the code, they are actually entering into an offense. They're actually doing an offense. So you have to insist them to produce you in the court the moment they're done with the 24 hours, which your advocate will take it forward. Second is, if it is a non-cognizable offense, minor things, you please insist the police officer that send you a notice as per the section 41A of the IPC. Yes, as per section 41A of the CRPC, Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. You insist, this is the rule they have to follow. You just tell him, sir, as per the section 41A of the CRPC, kindly send me a notice. They might shout, you have to come now. They might shout. But you stay relaxed and you say, sir, please send a notice. Police officer, please send a notice as per the section 41A. I'll come along with my advocate. Done. So you go along with the advocate, rest your advocate will take care. Now, if any police officer in association with someone files a malicious or frivolous FIR against you just to defame you or put you in distress or personal vendetta, how do you want to handle this? Do you have a rights to give a complaint against them? Yes, you have a rights. There are a police complaint authorities. You've got district police complaint authority, PCA we say, and you have a state level police complaint authority, state PCA. The chairmen of them are usually, of this complaint authorities, the chairmen of PCA, the chairmen of this PCA are usually the retired judges. Retired judges, they accept you go file a complaint, they'll accept your complaint, they thoroughly go through it, they'll have a departmental inquiry, you will get the justice, please. See, police as a citizen of India, right? Even as per the section 29 of the Indian Police Act 1861, there are certain punishments for them if they bypass or if they themselves do any offense. So I strongly believe and I say you have to respect the 70% of the police officers and you have to respect the existing judiciary system. Rest everything is taken there. Justice is 100% given. Nandri, Vanakkam.